we're going to be working on the roof today, cutting holes for the Maxx Air Fan and the Skylight. It's getting exciting.
Something about cutting a hole in the roof scares me a bit, but we'll make it work.
We got this, so yay!
So we're going to remove this seat and find a replacement. We're going to keep the base of it, so the first step is to remove the seat from the base. Okay, seat removed. Time to find replacement parts. All right, we're out here looking for parts. We're gonna find a Chevy Express and see what seats they have available. Looks like we found a possible driver's seat to replace. I'm gonna take it out and see how it looks. So this driver's seat has the armrest we're looking for on a Chevy Express chassis. So I'm just gonna go on and take it out.
So this is our new seat. The reason why we got it is because it has an armrest. I couldn't imagine driving a long distance without having a place to rest the arms. So we went out and grabbed a old driver's seat, and now we're gonna go get it upholstered and should hopefully get it back in about a week.
So we need a 14 by 14 square as a template to the roof. Use cardboard, found the center, so we can find out exactly where I want to place it on the roof. Drill a hole through the center, get the template up top, plop it down, good to go.
Made a hole. Nice square. Voila.
Woo, we got a hole!
So after cutting out a hole in the roof, we've exposed a lot of new metal. So we're going to prime it up to protect it from any kind of rusting. So we're framing up 2x3s around the opening of the Maxx Air Fan. So we're drilling into the frame to create a box around the opening.
putting some butyl tape on the Maxx Air Fan so that it sticks on there before we screw it down. Yep, scared of heights.
Okay, we had the camera set up and back, but it was in the sun, overheated, so it didn't catch all the work that we did this morning. So what we've done so far is just pretty much screw the subfloor back down on the joist across the floor of the bus. So we got the board secure and it's ready for the next step.
Alright, so working on the windowsill, and wanted to use the existing holes that are here, so just measuring these out to make sure that they're aligned for when we pre-drill the holes.
Oh hi, didn't see you there.
Just got here, gonna pick up the seats. They just got reupholstered, so very excited to see what it's gonna look like. All right, we're here, we're picking them up. How do they look? This is the owner right here who did the work. We're very excited with how it came out, two-toned and with Ostrich Skin vinyl for both the driver and the passenger seats. Here it is. And look at this. Fits like a glove. So proud. Hi! We have our seat and then our driver's seat as well. I'm really loving the Ostrich Skin. Take a look. It's cool, and it's two-tone. So we have a different color over here and a fun color over here. So excited. The layout taped down, and so the idea is for us to have a queen size bed, and so that's what's in this back half section is the queen size bed. We're gonna have some shelving up in the front area where our head is. Where I'm standing right here is going to be a bench seating, and also it'll be converted into a twin size bed. Underneath that, it's going to have our toilet that pulls out, and then also some more storage over here, maybe our electronics or whatever. And then over on this section, we're gonna have the countertop. So it's gonna have a sink, a refrigerator, and refrigerator that's gonna pull out. And then over here where the passenger seats are, 3 seats, we're gonna have a table that comes down, and then the driver's seat is going to be a swivel seat, so the driver's seat can, you know, turn around, and also have the dining table right there, and that'll be our 4th seat. Hopefully this layout's gonna work and we'll get to enjoy it. Finished putting in, started putting in the framing for the window, so working my way up, and hopefully I'll get all of this framed out. And so what we're doing is here you'll see I have a frame for here, and this is going to be the inside where I'm going to have curtains that go that will be going up and down. So still trying to figure that out, but that's the idea. We really appreciate everybody's support, and it's a learning process for us, so everything is trial and error, but we're really excited it's coming along, and just continue watching and supporting us. Thank you so much.